So that is really a structured conversation among peers, where we create a safe space, confidential. In fact, I tell people there will be no recording, there will be no judgment. So people will explain the difficulty or the challenges that they're having, and will invite other peers for them to give some input. First, to ask for clarification, and for them to give input from their own experiences. For example, in my business, this is one approach that we have taken that may give us some insight to the person who may be in the hot seat, for them to learn what are those new things. Because what I find is that small business owners, they tend to think alone in silo, when in fact they have an opportunity of exchanging views with other people without divulging confidential information, but just in a place where you can talk to, having a conversation with peer. I like saying have a conversation around the table with wine, you know. So I used to call it actually wine conversation. So it's virtual, but it gives that feel.